Alright, so basically at each video I wanted to leave off where you had a functionable house. We've used basically 200 pieces of wood so far, but from destroying that last fireplace I recovered a good bit. So I'm going to keep 50 in my inventory. I'm not sure how much this will cost, but I don't like having the door on this side. I want an entryway to the side here. Now, I prefer the entryway over here, but I think, yeah, there's a rock in the way. We don't have a pickaxe yet, so I can't really do that. So instead, I'm going to build the entryway over here. So, pretty much, I'm going to clear out some space, and what I'm going to do is kind of frame this in with the walls here. I'm going to have a 2-unit entryway. Now let's get rid of this grass, and let's put some floor down. Now, 2 units is a bit small, honestly, for an entryway. Not gonna lie. But this is just to be a basic entryway. Well, I don't know, I really don't like it. We're gonna go to 4 units out. 1 more from each side. So, anyways, since we're using 45-degree, keep those. This is the little inverse corner piece. You have another option for a corner piece, but it doesn't work so well like the way the walls are connecting here. So, we'll do that number, and that'll be where we connect. And then here you just build your walls like normal. We're using 4 spaces, so there'll be 2 walls on each side. Now, if you'll notice, we're going to have some area here that doesn't connect. We do have some options with that, like you could just build down right there. Or the other option, if I take this roof out as well, we can use another one of these corner pieces to make it look a little bit less seamed, I suppose, a little bit more seamless. No, did not clip right. There we go. There we are. Now, this, you might argue, would look a little bit weird with how we did our ventilation, right? Because the secondary roof is just kind of in line with that one. But again, it's an aesthetic kind of preference. I like this, walking in, seeing the fireplace, having space to the left, having space to the right. I'll build a little bedroom area, probably up here around the back of the fire. I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet. So, most of my builds are somewhat organic, like I have an idea in mind, and then just stuff changes. But we'll do some little wall pieces there. A nice big double door, since we have the wood for it. And then I'll get rid of this door, because we don't want a door here. And again, we have a functionable house. Like, I just ran out, I had 50 wood, I have 11 left. I'll have to rebuild a bed, so I destroyed that at some point. So just for kicks and giggles, to keep this kind of functioning, we'll put this here. But see, now we have a little entryway. It gives you some more space in the house itself. I know the double fire pit takes up a lot of space in the middle. Our crafting bench, of course, does need to be moved up against this wall. That'll happen later. But yeah, that's just basically the idea of a step-by-step progression of a build. Kind of what it would look like. So I like this wall, so I'll probably do some designs like that in other places. But it gives us a little entryway to the side, so I'll end this video here.